Hey there, my name is Muthreja. I'm an eighth grader in California and I'm the creator of the website Mathcelerate. During school, I noticed that many students, including some of my friends, didn't like math and found it very hard to get better at the subject. I knew I had to change this widespread way of thinking, so I created Mathcelerate, which helps enhance students' math skills around the globe with its fun interactive quizzes as well as effective videos. I aspire to bring my love for math and share it with others. The quizzes are adaptive, so students won't have to stress out about the difficulty of the problem. Instead, they will be able to build up their skills and slowly but steadily get better. This website will help lots of students learn about math and hopefully find an appreciation for it, as well as advance their skills.
After logging in with Google, you'll be able to access the rest of the page. You'll be greeted by this amazing dashboard. There are four topics that you can choose from: geometry, algebra, math 7, and math 8, each with their own unique subsections. There's also an information page so that you're not confused about how to play the game. So let's say I want to learn algebra. There are four topics I can choose from. In this case, I'm going to go with solving equations. I'll be able to watch a video about how to do all the problems, and after that, I can take a fun adaptive quiz. Or if I'm up for a challenge, I can take the special mode. The fun adaptive quiz is pretty simple. Once you click on the circle that bounces around, you'll be greeted with a question. You can use the whiteboard tool to solve the question that's provided. So in this case, because I watched the video, I know how to solve it. And I get x equals 7. So I type it in and I get the answer correct. Now, since this is adaptive, it's going to be harder the next time. And so that's how it works. It gets easier if you get the question wrong, and it gets harder if you get it right. That way, it's suited for your difficulty. There are also other special modes, such as a boss brawl where you get to fight evil monsters while solving math equations, and a flash round mode where you have to solve questions as fast as you can. I also have unlockable themes. That way you have a motivation for completing more and more quizzes. You can use these themes for the rest of your page just to give it a more cool look. My personal favorite theme is the gold theme. Thank you so much for listening, and I hope you enjoy Mathcelerate.